Question number 6 says that write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So to start with, we have the first bit wherein the decimal number is 2.56 and 2 is immediately before the decimal point, so it is at ones place. Coming to the second bit, we have the decimal number 21.37 wherein 1 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place and it is before the decimal. So the answer for the second bit is tens place. Coming to the third bit, we have the decimal number 10.25 wherein 2 is immediately after the decimal point. So it is at tens place. Answer for the third bit is tens place. Now coming to the fourth bit wherein the decimal number is 9.42. Immediately after the decimal point we have 4 which is at the tens place. 2 is at hundreds place. So the answer for the fourth bit is hundreds place because 2 is at hundreds place. Coming to the fifth bit, the decimal number is 63.352 wherein 3 which is after the decimal point is at tens place, 5 is at hundreds place and 2 is at thousands place. So the answer for the fifth bit is that 2 is at thousands place, and this is how we solve question number 6.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.